Hey guys, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Today I am at Arches National Park here in Utah, and this is probably one of the most spectacular, beautiful national parks in the system. And I'm right outside of the town of Moab. I just arrived. This is about a 7-hour drive from Las Vegas. Luckily I did it in sections, I didn't do it all at once. And right now I'm doing the Park Avenue Trail. Park Avenue Trail is under 2 miles and it is like 300 feet of elevation gain, so it's a really easy trail but very scenic. So let's go check it out. All right, so there is like a 25% chance of rain. It is getting kind of cloudy, but this is a short hike, so I'm not too worried about it. This is my second time here. I came here once before, roughly about 4.5 years ago, and this is before I started YouTube, but I'm glad to be back. I've been meaning to come back. So right now it's in the low 70s, a little bit windy, so I do have a sweater on because of that, and it's mid-October as well. So this will be my first video on my new GoPro Hero 10. Unfortunately, it's really cloudy right now, so I won't get to see how vibrant it is, the colors and stuff, but hopefully this still comes out really good since this is a new camera. So the one thing I've noticed so far about my new GoPro is it does eat through a battery real quick compared to the other GoPros, but the quality should be a lot better.